Hey, everybody, this is Alex Merced, a developer advocate here at Dremio, with another video going over a cool function that you can use inside of Dremio. And this time we're going to be talking about the NTILE window function. Essentially what this does, it allows you to rank records based on quintiles. So basically, ones with a rank of 1 are in the top 25%, then the top 50%, and the top 75%, and then the top, 100%. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. Okay, well, one place where you might want to use this is if you're a teacher and you're trying to see which are your best performing students. So let me go pull up my script. So I'm gonna go here, search my different demo scripts. Oh, there it is, the NTILE script. I'll click on that. Again, we're gonna create a table. Okay, once that table is created, okay, which is just gonna have the student name and grade. Okay, we will then populate it with some records. So there we go. Okay, and what I want to know is like, okay, which students are in the top 25%, top 50%, etc. So then what I can do is I can use the NTILE function, okay, and I say, hey, I want to get the NTILE rank, okay, and again, you can divide this up as much as you want. So in this case, I'm dividing it up over 4 quintiles, okay, or quintiles, okay, in this case. You could also, or quartiles. Quintiles would be 5, wouldn't it? But bottom line is you can do whatever number of splits you want. So you could even theoretically do 100 quintiles, but that'd probably be excessive. And that wouldn't be called quintiles, but it'd be percentiles. Oh, my tongue and how it trips over these tiles. But what we're going to do is, again, we want to rank all the records, not just groups of records. So we're not going to use the partition by clause here. So we're just going to order them by grade. So that's how we're going to rank them by, and then put them in that order. Okay, in a descending order. So from the best score to the worst score. And we're going to call that the percentile rank. And again, they're all going to be split up over 4 ranks. So the top 25% will be rank 1, next 25% will be rank 2, etc. Okay. And yeah, let me just set the context of that into our demo folder. So I'm going to go into my demos catalog, and I wanted to do my 2024 demos are going to be in here. And then here are my January demos. Okay. So you see, the nice thing about sort of like the catalogs, Dremio's Arctic catalogs, is I can organize my data in a really nice way. It's just the beauty of like the Dremio semantic layer in general. Just really easy to organize my data and kind of know where I'm going to put certain data, which is nice. But let me just put my cursor right over here and let's just run these queries. Okay, should create the table pretty quickly. Yep, it's done. And now it's going to insert those records, which should be done right about now. There we go. And then we're going to run the query. Okay, cool. So as we look here, again, we insert the records, and there we go. Okay, so I can see these 3 students are in the top 25% of my students. These are the next 25%, next. So again, this allows you to do that sort of percentile type of ranking over as many different slices as you want. How cool is that? So with that, now you know how to use this function, which you can use for all sorts of different possibilities. Grades, but it could also be theoretically you're just trying to figure out who are the best among the best sports players or the best performing movies. You can think of several different situations where you might want to find out who's in the top 10% percentile. So you split it up into 10 slices or something like that. So with that, I'll see you all in the next video. Again, you can find all the code and the link in the video description. Make sure you subscribe to the Dremio YouTube channel. Okay, that's at youtube.com/Dremio, and follow Dremio on LinkedIn and Twitter. And I'll see y'all later on.